Welcome back to Tales from my collection. You become what you believe. So, create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life. What you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create. Your life is a reflection of the way you think. You create your own reality show every day, in every experience and in every encounter. The one person who can make a difference in your life is you. The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen. You can do a thing only if you have a belief that it can be done. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Your success will be determined by your own confidence. Your reality is a reflection of your strongest belief. The moment you doubt your capability, you cease forever to be able to do something. Persistence is a measurement of belief in yourself. Your belief is the idea that possesses your mind. Believe in yourself and the magic starts happening. The belief helps you to be unstoppable. Now, on to the story. Once a poor man was begging at a crossroad. He noticed a well-dressed businessman waiting for a cab. He thought that the man must be very rich and would definitely give him some money if he asked. So he confidently went and asked for alms. The man looked at the beggar and told him that he had always begged people for money, but had he ever given anything to anyone? The beggar told him that he did not give anyone anything because he was a beggar and did not have anything to give. On hearing this, the man told him that when he can't give anything to anyone, he does not have any right to ask them as well. Moreover, he was a businessman and he believed only in transactions. So, he finally told the beggar that if he had something to give him, then he would also give him something in return. Just then, the cab arrived and the businessman got into the cab and left the place. The beggar started to think about what the man had said. His words created an impact in the beggar. He then started thinking that he was not able to get much money in alms because he was not able to give anything to anyone in return. He very well knew that he did not have anything to give, but also felt bad for asking people for money without giving anything in return. After some deep thinking, the beggar decided that whenever he got something on begging, he would definitely give something back to that person in return. But now the question was, what would he give others in return for their money? The whole day had passed thinking about it, but he was not able to find any satisfactory answer to his question. The next day, while he was sitting near the crossroad, his eyes fell on some flowers blooming on the plants in the nearby area. Suddenly, a thought flashed in his mind. He decided to give some flowers to the people in return for their help. He liked the idea and he plucked some flowers from there and went towards the passing vehicles. Whenever someone gave alms to him, he gave them some flowers in return. People happily accepted the flowers from him. it had become a regular habit. Within a few days, he realized that a lot more people had started giving him alms. So, he started plucking all the flowers that had bloomed in that area and the surrounding areas. When he had no more flowers left, he did not get much money. This continued for a few months. One day, as a surprise, he happened to see the same businessman who had inspired him to distribute flowers, waiting for a cab. The beggar immediately reached out to him and told him that he had some flowers to give him in return to the alms. The businessman liked the idea and felt impressed. He immediately gave him some money and the beggar gave him some flowers in return. He then remarked that the beggar had also become a businessman like him. On hearing that, it again created an impact in the beggar. He kept thinking again and again about what the man had said and started to feel excited. The beggar's eyes started to shine and he felt that he had got the key to success by which he would change his life. He excitedly looked up at the sky and told in a very loud voice that he was not a beggar anymore and that he was a businessman and would definitely become a rich man. When the people saw him, they thought that the beggar had gone mad. From the next day, the beggar never appeared at the crossroads again. 3 years later, two well-dressed men were waiting for a cab. Both of them looked at each other. And one of them moved forward and asked the other man if he could recognize him. The other man replied that he did not recognize him and told that they were meeting for the first time. Once again, the other man told him that they were not meeting for the first time, but in fact, it was the third time. The other person was surprised to hear that and asked him to explain, as he could not recollect their meeting. He then explained that they had met at the crossroads where he used to beg for alms from the people. He was the same beggar to whom he had told in the first meeting that he should give something in return to the people when they gave him money. It really created a change in him. As a result, today he was a very big flower merchant and was traveling to another city for a business requirement. So, the first time when they had met, the businessman made the beggar understand that we get something only when we give something in return. That is when the beggar understood that he would rise above his state of begging. When he had met the businessman for the second time, he remarked that the beggar had actually become a businessman. That was when the beggar's perspective changed. It helped him become a successful businessman. As long as he considered himself a beggar, he remained a beggar. But the moment he considered himself as a businessman, he became one. It was then he actually realized his true potential. He believed that he was a businessman and he became a successful businessman. It was his belief that made him successful. He believed in himself, which was the secret of his success. So, believe in yourself and your potential to make your dreams come true. Always be ready to take risks, because we can understand the miracle of life only when we allow the unexpected to happen. Dare to chase the impossible and make it become possible. In order to take your success to next level, believe in yourself and take yourself to the next level. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.